In this video, I'll guide you through how to install a content delivery network or CDN on your Bluehost website using Cloudflare. By the end, you'll have Cloudflare connected and running on your site, which can help your pages load faster and handle traffic more efficiently. Let's start right at the beginning. First, make sure you're logged into your Bluehost account manager in your web browser. This is the main dashboard where you manage your hosting, domains, and websites. If you're not already logged in, go ahead and sign in with your usual Bluehost credentials so you can access all the tools you need for this setup. Once you're inside the Bluehost dashboard, look over to the side menu and click on the Websites tab. This section lists all of the websites you have connected to your Bluehost account. If you only have one site, you'll see just that single listing. If you host multiple sites, you'll see them all here, each in its own panel. Next, find the specific site you want to optimize with the CDN and click on the settings option for that site. This will open a more detailed view of the site's configuration, where you can adjust things like domains, security, and performance. Give it a moment to load if it takes a second. All the tools you need for this process are inside this settings area. Inside your site settings, you'll want to navigate to the tab labeled Speed or Performance. The exact wording can vary slightly depending on the version of the Bluehost interface you're using, but it will be something along those lines. Click that tab to open the performance options for your website. This is where Bluehost groups features that help your site load faster and deliver content more efficiently. Within the speed or performance section, look for the Cloudflare area. This is Bluehost's built-in integration with the Cloudflare content delivery network. You should see a toggle or switch next to Cloudflare that can be turned on or off. Right now, it's likely set to off. Go ahead and switch that toggle to on to begin enabling Cloudflare for your site. As soon as you turn Cloudflare on, Bluehost will prompt you to either create a new free Cloudflare account or connect an existing one. If you don't have a Cloudflare account yet, choose the option to create a free account. You'll be asked for basic information like an email address and a password. If you already use Cloudflare, select the option to link your existing account instead. From here, simply follow the on-screen instructions to authorize the connection between Bluehost and Cloudflare. The system will guide you through each step, so read each prompt carefully and confirm when needed. Bluehost and Cloudflare will work together in the background to connect your site, adjust the necessary settings, and start routing your traffic through the CDN. Once you've completed the authorization, your CDN should be active. It may take a few minutes for everything to fully propagate, but you don't need to change anything else in this process. Your website will now begin serving content through Cloudflare's network, helping your visitors experience faster load times and more reliable performance.